The Mile High Living segment came on, and the Colorado Discount Heating and Cooling happened to be on that day. And I thought, I'm looking for someone. You know, I really need to try to find someone to see how much life I have left in my furnace. So I liked what he was saying, and so I called them, and they came out very professional. I felt very comfortable with them, and they said, sure, you can stay. And I had questions, and they didn't make me feel uncomfortable about that. I just felt good about everything.
Since I acquired Colorado Discount Heating and Cooling, we've applied the philosophy that the customer is always more important than the invoice. When we met Midori through Mile High Living and found that she had heating needs that needed to be addressed, both operational and, more importantly, safety, we needed to help her out. HVAC equipment replacement is a major undertaking for most homeowners, so when we determined that we could help her by installing a new furnace, we just jumped at the chance to do that. Our amazing vendor partners at Geary Pacific and Amana helped out with a very generous donation so that we could provide labor to get this project done. At the end of the day, when the customer is happy, we all win.